this morning. Let's see what it looks like today. Oh, climbing out for the first time. Oh, wow, it was beautiful. Sun's coming up through the trees. Oh, yes. Looking better than it was yesterday, last night when we went to bed. Yes. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Look. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Here we are. Welcome to day 2, Itasca State Park 2024. And I think this morning it's so nice out. I'm going to make breakfast. Get a campfire going. I'm going to bake some hash browns, eggs, and bacon. See, was there something else too? Well, those 3 for sure. And you're gonna make it with a cast iron pan over the campfire. So that's the plan. So here we go. I'm gonna start getting everything set up, and we're gonna have to plug in the phone to charge it up too. Yeah, while I first get set it up here. So talk to you later. Looks to be decent firewood. Yeah, it started really easy. Of course, I got my little starter log thing down there. Yeah. I got the pan on there. I just put it on a minute ago, so it's not warm enough yet. Hot enough. Hope it generates enough heat to you put the bacon on in a little bit. There's my mess over here. Yeah, it's bacon and got the hash browns. There's the eggs. I think I might just take and scramble the eggs this time. I don't know. I'll have to see. Oh, the cheese slices. I'm going to put the cheese slices into a sandwich bag I got in there, and then put that back in the freezer. I'm not having that now. I just took it out to put it in there. That's the update right now, so I'm gonna put the bacon on in a few minutes, hopefully. I forgot, right now, I forgot to say the time this morning when I first climbed out of the van, but anyways, right now it's 8:05 a.m. It's probably been like half an hour or so, something like that. So it was a little before 7:30, I think, when I climbed out. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to get enough heat in that thing. I have to put that cover on to try hold some of the heat on there. I have not put the bacon on yet, but just want to say what time it was right now. I threw another log on the fire, and also the bacon is on. Sizzling in there. I think it'll be okay after all. Right, got the bacon in there. Got the hash browns in there now. Been on there for a couple minutes now. Nice and quiet here, nice and peaceful. Nice. Woo-hoo. This is what camping's all about. There we go. There's the sun peeking through the trees. And as you notice, I'm wearing my new Itasca State Park cap. You gotta look back there. Alright, the hash browns are in there with the bacon. And I got the eggs. And I'm not doing scrambled. I put all the eggs in there because I didn't want to have anything left over in the container. I figured it'd probably just, in the cooler, it'd probably break or something. And so, just have to have all of them. I'm going to tell you, have them just like that. And for once, I did not break any yolks at all. Wow, normally, like at home, I break all of them. They're coming along. I think I'm just going to cook them like that. I was going to do over easy, you know, flip them over, but I figured that's when disaster would strike and I'd break yolks and stuff like that. But we'll do it just like that, so. Shouldn't be too much longer, a few more minutes. Should be having breakfast. And this beautiful morning at Itasca State Park. Yeah, it's just beautiful here. And then after breakfast, we're going to be hopping on that and riding down the bike trails. I'm looking forward to that. I don't know if my legs are, but I did not get to exercise my legs as much as I wanted to prepare them for the ride. But anyways, I'll just have to roll with the best I can. Pretty soon. Yeah, as you can see, the campfire is over there. The pan is empty. And here's the finished product here. Let me pull that back. Got a lot to eat here. And looks like a mess, but should be pretty good, darn good, I think. Alright, now let's take the first bite. Start with the bacon. Good. Okay, the bacon is good. Now for the hash browns. Yep, turned out good. Now for the egg. I think I'll just take like the whole thing like that. It's good. Awesome. Now, hopefully I can get all this down. I don't think I'll give it my best shot. Oh man, I can't believe it. I finished the whole thing. Oh, I'm full. No, I forgot to go see what time it was. Yeah, it's 10 minutes after 9 o'clock right now. I'm going to sit here and relax for a little bit, let everything settle, and then clean everything up and pour water on my campfire, and then get ready to go for a bike ride. Oh, I sit here and relax.